Hey, in today's video we're gonna making this. The oil painting effect. You can do this with any picture you want. Leave a like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn that bell on. Let's start with the video. First we are going to crop the image. Then, we will select our object. Now we make it a smart object and duplicate it twice. Now in the first layer we go to the filter gallery and choose the poster edges effect. And we set the last one to 2, the rest to 0. Then we will add an unsharpened mask to it. And we added the oil painting effect. Now we are going to add another unsharpened mask. Now we go to the second layer and add the poster edges effect again. But now we set the first to 0, the second to 3, and the third to 6. And we added the oil painting effect again. Now we set the blending mode to overlay and the opacity to 25. Then we go to the third layer and add high pass to 2. And put the blending mode here on overlay. This has a little bit more detail in the object. You can add a gradient layer to make better colors. And what do you think? Is it a like worth? Leave a like if you like it. And feel free to subscribe for supporting the channel and don't forget to turn that bell on. Bye.